Hello, I am Jitesh from Eicher Truck and Buses. In BS6 era, Eicher has created a new benchmark in commercial vehicle industry through its all-new revolutionary BS6 technology, UTEX 6, which combines global technology with innovative support services. Eicher has an experience of supplying more than 1 lakh Euro 6 base engine to Volvo Group over the last 6 years. These engines are successfully running in 41 countries over the globe. Eicher BS6 Pro Series heavy-duty trucks are available in a wide range, starting from 18.5 ton GVW to 55 ton GCW, and all these are packed with innovative features. The heavy-duty transportation industry is rapidly evolving and becoming more demanding in terms of better fuel efficiency, faster turnaround time, higher uptime, and drivers' safety and comfort. Pro 6048 is designed to cater all these requirements. A 48-ton, 16-tire truck built on a philosophy profitable for life. This next generation truck is targeting segments like market load, cement bags, industrial goods, bulker, tankers and reefer. This truck is available in cabin chassis and fully built up models. हम माइलेज के बादशाह थे और हम माइलेज के बादशाह रहेंगे. With our commitment to maintain our leadership in fuel efficiency, Pro 6048 is designed to deliver up to 5% better fuel efficiency in this product category. Pro 6048 has VDX8 6-cylinder engine clubbed with Volvo Group's engine management system and vanadium-based compact box type EATS, delivering 260 horsepower at 2200 RPM and a flat torque of 1000 Nm over a wide range of engine hours. It has intelligent features like fuel coaching, providing real-time guidance to driver, and M-Booster Plus to optimize acceleration and maintain fuel efficiency. Further, energy-saving compressor and viscotronic fan help to reduce parasitic and mechanical losses. Pro 6048 is developed to deliver up to 5% better turnaround time and more trips. High power to weight ratio for increased load pulling ability, which enables higher productivity. Efficient ET140 9-speed transmission with highest torque to weight ratio, along with quick gear shift and minimal RPM and torque disruptions, which enables better pickup, along with parabolic suspension for better ride comfort and increased driver productivity. Downtime is the biggest cost for transportation business, and 6048 delivers superior uptime through robust driveline and reliable aggregates. It ensures that truck is available all the time. Advanced on-board diagnostic systems that displays fault indicators in the form of audio and video signals for preventive maintenance. Pro 6048 provides more comfort, enhanced safety for drivers with AI029 crash-tested cabin and blind spot mirrors provides all-around safety. 4-way engine protection system ensuring safety and low maintenance, longer and synchronized oil drain interval, fully equipped Eicher service network and innovative uptime center ensuring that your truck is available maximum time on the road. Intelligent driver information system which continuously provide information related to trucks' operational parameters. With our lifetime support solutions, we provide complete peace of mind through seamless experience from the time you think of buying an Eicher truck to the time you think of selling it. Our offerings are all that we need for your business to make it more profitable. For any queries, log on to eichertrucksandbuses.com or contact us on Eicher Care 1800 102 3531.